Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Naturally Nappy here, and if you're new here, what's up? Welcome. You have come at a perfect time because we are sprucing things up. And if you're old here, you know this is gonna be a before and after because I have a surprise here that I would like to share with you guys and do an unboxing, setup, and compare, contrast, all that other fun stuff. So before we go any further, please make sure that you like, you comment, you subscribe, you share, you hit the bell so that you can be here for my next video and you can be a part of the Nap family. Yes guys, so during these times I decided that I wanted to invest in my YouTube channel once again. So I made a little purchase off of Amazon, of course. It's a box inside of a box, that's great. And it's a bag inside of a box. Alright. So I purchased the HPUSN box lights. My first big purchase, I guess. And I'm excited because I always watch other YouTubers' videos and I always try to figure out like, how are the lights so much better than mine? And now I know. It comes with this fun stuff here. Those two are the box lights. Those brown boxes are the stand. Those two white boxes I'm not sure yet, and that is the bag that it came in so that I can transport it wherever I choose. Yes guys, so I decided to speed this part up because it's nothing fancy. It's nothing really much to explain. I am setting up the stands to begin preparing the box lights and setting them together. Yeah, that's really what it is. So eventually I'll talk a little bit, but yeah. So you had to push in the part that connects to the light bulb here and make sure it was flush with the pieces. So that was the width. That's what's also keeping this extended. These box lights are super easy to set up by yourself without having to read the directions. Of course, empty all of the contents and then figuring out what goes where. But most of all, it's just like setting up a ring light, prepare the stand, put the soft boxes on top of the stands and attach them together. First one. And then it also comes with a sheet to go over it. So it's not just like blind light. I'm excited. At first, I didn't know how to attach these because the cover has like a sleeve, like a little small pocket to it, but it actually has a Velcro on the side of the soft boxes frame. So this is the first setup. Thinking about it as I'm doing it, I didn't put a light bulb in here, so I think that's what these are. Yes, it is. Yeah. Yay. Y'all, I try to be cute and make a little thumbnail. It ain't work. So I unvelcroed the cover and I eventually was able to squeeze in that big old light bulb and screw it into the light box. Boop, first one down, and then I'm going to speed through and set up the second one. After setting up the first light box, I learned a little bit about the preparation of doing the stand and setting up the light box. I knew to first pull out the stand and keep it low because the first time I did it, I tried to put the little cover there. I tried to put that on as it was tall, but I couldn't reach it. So I learned a little bit there, as well as definitely putting in the light bulb before putting on the cover because that was a silly mistake that I made. But nevertheless, the setup process of these light boxes are super easy. There's nothing difficult to it. It's very durable and I think it's pretty nice. So I was just super excited to see what it looked like once I turned the lights on, as well as what differences it made when putting it on myself for recording. And I was so antsy to finally turn these lights on and give you guys the after look. I had a little mess up here. All right, y'all. So for the part that I'm most excited for is a plug up.
One eternity later.
It wasn't on. Alright guys, so this is with just my ring light. That's with my box light being on this side and my ring light. My box light on this side and my ring light on. One box light. Whew, real dark. One box light. And this, this is the look I was going for, but this is with everything on. Both my box lights as well as my ring light. And you can tell the light is hitting me on every angle. Yes, yes, yes. It's a little hot in here, but yes, I look good. So, I definitely do think I needed these box lights to give me all of that depth of light versus, you know, the contrast of the light hitting behind, all the other fun stuff, and it not being as bright as I would like it to be, which also it prevents you guys from being able to see the definition in my hair. So now we're gonna get into all of these features. Whew. It's gonna get y'all gonna see me. Y'all gonna see me. So thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe and you hit the bell so that you can be for my next video and be a part of the Nappy family. But until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.